Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this video is on the four foundations of mindfulness. It's mindfulness of body, or the physical body in Hermetic training, mindfulness of feeling, or the astral body in Hermetics, mindfulness of mind, or the mental body, and mindfulness of phenomena, or the akasha or etheric body. So if you're sitting in your meditation practice and your physical form is disrupting your practice, then we know we need to work on the physical training exercises. Tuning the fascia, stretching the joints open, whole body pore breathing, and turning your body into an engine, a vehicle for meditation practice. So the life force supports the physical, supports the astral body, supports the mental body, and fuels the system. The astral body is a reflection of your feelings. So if you're sitting in practice and you find yourself dwelling on stresses, on emotional issues, and getting pulled out emotionally, then you know you need to go back to your black and white mirror, balance the elements, work on some releasing exercises, and bringing the astral body into equanimity. If you find in your meditation that the mental body is wandering, that the mind is wandering or drifting, then you know to work on the mental training exercises to increase the concentration, increase awareness, increase the visual skills, and all the mental discipline exercises. So in Hermetics, the four foundations of mindfulness is more of a indicator as where to focus your attention, how to put your mind in the right place and put your effort in the right place to get optimal benefit. So rather than just practicing something like Vipassana, which ultimately is a mental exercise, when we do any training, we look at where our strengths are and where our weaknesses are based on this concept of the four foundations of mindfulness, and we increase our efforts where we're weak, and we harmonize those weak points with our strengths. This will bring you into equanimity more quickly, and insight arises from within equanimity. So it's a very, very good way of planning out your training by using the four foundations of mindfulness. Okay, thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.